kulingana kora kwao Jubilee na kia koni uga kibagende mbe bako nyoni kinyoroma
ndi kwa rabako nyon kai kwa rabako nyon. I'll ask you sincerely, give me one function one function Esiki Bakoni, and I'm sorry to mention him, but na mention with a lot of respect. Mna mjumbe wangu anasema amesimama na Jubilee. One function, one occasion wanauza party. One function, one occasion.
Arudinaro.
Kena aroche Secretary General ati teko igore party, office ya party. Niliona tu watu wachache ana online. Hakuwa aya. Apart from when nende bago cha chitu echi ba onjo kandete gusi. Nothing. Inabako ni patika vile. Se nyangi yo mongina na nyirigeti online. Nkarana ekemane Kenya sai. Nono mugambi Matiang'i. No arenge. Ekera gwanza gukwana abantu abankonye bachire.
Crowd ko yasokire.
Konye yasokire.
Chinsa.
Ikiagera oroche abangi nabange uikapachi gusikara chingo ko cyabo barugera abana babo.
Nabere.
Igo ekere na saa 11 yaikire gabu saa 10 baansire otane saa 10 ga ngosoka tole saa 11 saa abangi nabachire.
Bana.
So management ye function ya irende in terms of urendo ule kwana amabaga ulengo mwishimi one kibagendi haikuwa sawa. Anandi bwika akakwana na because yani you could see Mugambi are under a lot of stress.
Jinsa.
Umenyete what Mheshimiwa Kiba needs to learn is to how to handle the public and especially public functions. That was like a state function. Nani hakuwa hapo? Senate ilikuwa hapo. Wabunge walikuwa hapo. So again tumna kelia iarigo ke summarize. Bona alia he would have given him Matiang'i as the presidential candidate bono an opportunity ekara national leaders baro nero kuba bring in. You must know that news to be captured on national TV indi chiko gamdain. Indi. He didn't get national news. He didn't.
Sifuna had the best time to speak.
And by the time Matiang'i kwana Sifuna is in Nairobi. Is in Nairobi.
Aki.
Haikuwa poa.
Function ya bete linda mwananchi ilikuwa ya Matiang'i.
Yeah. So that was wrong. And I hope he will learn. A good leader learns because he's still our leader. He's a member of parliament. He will learn how to handle public functions. To know when to stop. Because I don't know other MPs. You have a whole plethora of members of parliament who are not in cases, who are not cases, who are not cases. Ekeraba ukwa na nini but abantu baito bari kimbarabi. That's where the detail is.